Landing zone secured.
Resistance life forms detected nearby.
Exterminate all opposition.
Hold the line. Protect the core at all costs.
Enemy drones approaching fast.
Open fire.
Their defenses are failing.
Energy cannon charged to 90%.
Destroy their weapon immediately.
Hey guys, I want to teach us how to create this type of video you just saw using a free video generation site. Like I say, it's totally free. You don't need to pay for it and it is unlimited, and that's what I'm going to be doing right now. So if you are watching this video for the first time, you need to like, share and subscribe, because you know what? YouTube think I'm worth following, so they have suggested my video to about 1 million people this month. And if you want to know whether they are right or wrong, make sure you watch this video to the end, because I have a gift for you. So first, you head over to ChatGPT. You open a new project, and then let's say you want to create a video of AI fighting each other, right? So you say something like ChatGPT, ChatGPT, you are an AI video generator prompter. Okay. Generate an image prompt, image and video prompt of a group of AI army, like robots coming down from a spaceship and fighting another group down. Make it action. Let them shoot. Let it sci-fi. Sci-fi means out of this world. Sci-fi. Like a honey wood. You can see Fall of Titan X. So you can see story concept, blah 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 blah, and then image prompt. We copy the image the way you are seeing it like this, copy it, and then we go over to Google Flow. Let's type our new image. I think in Google Flow we are just going to put our prompt here, and then we wait for it to generate the image. Okay, let's choose the number 1. I think I'm loving the number 1 more, so let's choose it. Let's upscale to 2K at least. Then we'll wait for it to download. Then we save. We just save. You just see me saving. You just save it, and then that's for that. Then the second one is that we would leave there, and then we go over to the next picture. So here you put the image 1, and then you can see this. I love this second one, so let's choose the second one. So you just go to save to files. We save here again. Then we go. Let's go over to the third picture. Remember, they have their video prompt for all this one. Then we take it again. And then we paste. Then we can see, or we save as normal. Take it there, and then save to file. We'll go back. Okay, so we have been able to do this. Now let's head over to this and say create this with dialogue. Let's add dialogue and video prompt. Right? Good. So you can see this. Let's now go. Let's copy the video prompt now. We just copied it. So the name of the app is Vio AI free. Vio AI free video downloader. So you can see it here, the first one. See the icon, more like Google. You are going to enter here. This app has a lot of things. It has ads, but it's not necessary for you to watch the ad. You just press this angle, this button here. You press it and that's all. You go over to this open menu tab. You click on the two slash there, and then you go to photo to video. Close. Go to photo to video. Scroll down. Go to image. Then you go to file. Since our photo is in file, if yours is in a different thing, no problem. So we go to the first one. Here it has a way of cropping its own image. So what you do is that you pull it over to this side and you extend it from here. It's there. Then you can upload and then you put your prompt here and put your prompt and then you click on generate. The video prompt you added there. So wait for it to download. So immediately it comes to this point, you try to play it. You play it. Is on your side. So you are going to repeat the same process again and again until you get exactly what you're looking for. You're going to do the image and then you convert it to a video and then you do scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5 until you have finished the scene, and then you go over to your editor app and then you merge all of them together. If you want me to teach you how to make them in any of your video editing app, tell me that you want me to do it in the comment section. So bye for now.